Before we get going on any adventures this week, we've got some bad news, but also some really great news. The bad news, unfortunately, is that Maggie's a bit sick. She needs some work done. The bushes on the control arms on the front and on the back need replacing. She's clicking every time she turns everywhere, so a little bit of work needs to be done. But the great news is that we're also welcoming a new channel sponsor in, DNA Automotive. Pop in and see Dan. He provides great prices, really high quality work, and he always goes the extra mile as well. Every time I get the truck back, he's blacked the tyres for me, or he's done something a little extra for me, filled the windscreen washer up or something like that. He always goes the extra mile, and that's what you'll get from a family run business and a small business. He's very good at communicating as well, so he'll let you know exactly how long something's going to take and give you a clear idea on what's going on and what's required, and provides realistic prices and very good quality work. So the problem with Maggie was exactly as Dan had stated. The rubbers on the swing arms were gone. So once we got it up on the hoist, as you can see here, he's had a look at it and showed me exactly what is required. So it's only a few hours job, and Dan was good enough to get it done on the same day, so we could get going on our next adventure the day after, which is fantastic. Thank you. So now that Maggie's back on the road again, we're ready to head off on our next adventure. DNA Automotive are down at Rocklea. They've been really gracious and very helpful in supporting myself and supporting the channel. So anytime you're in Brisbane, drop in and see them.